Welcome to the kitchen, where our adorable Lhasa Apso chef is ready to bake something truly special. Today, we're making a healthier twist on banana bread. It's moist, protein-packed, and oh so delicious. Let's get started. First, we'll grab 2 ripe bananas. Our little chef's paws are ready to mash them up until they're nice and smooth. Just look at those fluffy paws working. Next, we'll crack in 3 large eggs. These will help make the bread light and fluffy. Our chef is ready, and she's already looking adorable while cracking them with such precision. Now let's add in half a cup of cottage cheese. It gives the banana bread a creamy texture and helps boost the protein content. We're also going to add 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, sweetness at its best. Adjust it to your taste if you want it even sweeter. Our chef is mixing it all up in her bowl, making sure everything is smooth and ready for the next step. Don't worry if the cottage cheese looks a little chunky. That's totally okay. It adds a little texture to our bread. Next, we'll add 2½ cups of almond flour. It's a great gluten-free option and gives the bread a wonderful, nutty flavor. Our Lhasa Apso chef is doing a great job mixing this in. Now, let's sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. The cinnamon will add a lovely warmth to the bread, and the baking soda helps it rise perfectly. If you want to make it even more exciting, you can mix in some walnuts, chocolate chips, or even blueberries. These add a fun twist to the bread and give it that extra oomph. But for today, our puppy chef is keeping it simple and classic. Now that our batter is ready, it's time to prepare the loaf pan. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line our pan with parchment paper, making sure it's greased so nothing sticks. This will ensure that the bread slides right out when it's done baking. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan and into the oven it goes. Set your timer for 50 minutes. And don't forget, about 30 minutes in, you may want to cover the top with foil if it starts to brown a little too quickly. Our chef is keeping an eye on the oven. Look at her adorable little nose, twitching with excitement as the bread starts to rise. After 50 minutes, the bread is ready to come out of the oven. Use a toothpick to test if it's cooked all the way through. It should come out clean. Our chef is so proud of her delicious creation. Now we let the bread cool down before slicing it up. Once it's cooled, it's time to enjoy this moist, flavorful banana bread. Thanks to our little chef, we have a treat that's perfect for breakfast or a snack. Look at that beautiful golden loaf, just waiting to be shared with family and friends. And of course, we can't forget to give a little slice to our cute Lhasa Apso chef. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more positively amazing baking adventures with our adorable puppy chef.